Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I am going to show you 10 useful apps which you can use to increase your productivity. Most of these apps are free. You can use them to increase your productivity, and these apps can make your life much more easier than ever before. You will feel organized and happy after using these apps because these apps will give you a kind of comfort and a better environment to increase your productivity. So first off, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on my future videos. Without wasting your time, let's get started. The first app which I want to show you is called Trello. Trello is basically an app which you can use to manage your daily tasks, daily routines. You can just enter a list of tasks which you want to do. I have added many tasks here, but I don't want to show them here because these are private. So as you can see, you can manage your workspaces here as well, and you can create multiple boards and tables and calendar, etc. And this app is very useful for managing your team. So you just have to add the tasks on your board, and then your team will see that. You can also add a deadline, and you can also mark the tasks are completed and which tasks are pending, so your team member should know that this is the deadline and we have to complete this task first. All right, you can check it out now. The second app which I want to show you is called Todoist. First you have to create an account on Todoist, and then you can customize it. For example, how do you plan to use Todoist? For example, personal or work education. I want to choose work and continue. So for example, I am intermediate productivity apps, and then you can add your name. Now you can add your daily tasks here, you can add projects, and you can also add upcoming events and filters and labels, etc. You can check this out, and you can also add priorities to the tasks. So it's easy to manage your team with Todoist. Now let's go to our third app, which is called Notion. Notion is also for collaborating with your team. It's a collaboration tool that lets you focus on building. And first you have to create an account and then log in. Okay, once you have created your account, now tell us about yourself. So for example, I am a student, I am a team manager, and what are you planning to do in Notion? For example, I want to editing, sharing, project management, company goals, and personal note taking, etc., as well as other. Now click on continue, and now how are you planning to use Notion? So for example, if you want to manage your team, you can select with my team, and if you want to use for yourself only, you can select for myself. Then click on continue. Now choose your workspace name, for example project management, and then click on continue. Now you are in the Notion. You can get started. Now you can add text and highlight your text, and you can also add meeting notes, documents, your team home, team tasks, and task lists. You can just click on new and then add your task. For example, I'm going to add my first task, and then you can add participants if you have a teammate, etc. And then you can select a type, for example git property, and you can also add documents and other pages and new templates, etc. Then it's done, and you can also see your task list here. That's it. This is a productivity app you can use to manage your team and increase your production stuff. All right, now let's go to our fourth app, which is called Loom. So Loom is basically used for recording your screen, your camera, and it is also useful for showing up in meetings and collaborating with your team as well. First, you have to create an account on loom.com, then sign in. Now you can see your dashboard, and you can record a video, you can start a meeting, you can invite your teammates to Loom as well. Now let's go to our fifth productivity app, which is called Discord. Discord is used for to create servers for your team, and you can also join different servers on Discord. There are thousands of servers available on Discord from where you can learn, and you can do gaming, you can join education servers, you can join science and tech servers, and you can also join the student hub as well. So for example, as we are talking about productivity, so in this we can add a new server. For example, click on here, and then you can create your own server, and then you can invite your teammates to the server, so you can chat in this server, and you can collaborate as a team to manage your daily tasks as well. So this is a very advanced technology where you can join with just a click and you can manage your tasks. All right, the sixth productivity app is called ShareX. ShareX is basically used for capturing your screen, and then you can edit the images and you can share it with your teammates, etc. You can see that you can download this app and then you can take screenshots easily on your laptop or PC. And there is also a manual method which you can use to take a screenshot, which is to press Windows Shift and S, and you can see a dialog box will appear at the top center of your screen. And now you can select the area which you want to capture, for example like this, and then a dialog box will appear at the right side. You can click on it and then you can edit this screenshot. You can highlight the text, you can see that, and then you can copy this image by clicking here, and then you can paste it to a Word document or print, etc. And you can share it with your friends or teammates as well. The seventh productivity app is called Microsoft Edge. So Microsoft Edge is a browser just like a Chrome, but nowadays I'm seeing that Microsoft Edge has advanced features. Now you can see the Microsoft Edge application. They are claiming that they are faster than Google Chrome and they use less data than Google Chrome, and there are multiple options available now. For example, if you create an account on Microsoft Edge, then you can import your history, data and bookmarks by just clicking on import button. And there is also a vertical tabs option in Microsoft Edge. You can shift between different tabs here, you can see. All right, now let's go to our eighth productivity app, which is called Google Drive. So as you can see, Google Drive is a easy and secure access to your contents. You can save a lot of data in Google Drive. Once you will create an account on Google Drive, you will get a 15 GB of free storage, and then you can upload your important files and data to Google Drive so it won't lost, and then you can access it from everywhere or anywhere. The next productivity app is a pre-built Windows app which is called clipboard shortcut. For example, in Windows, whenever we copy text, so it only remembers the last text we copied. But if we turn on the clipboard shortcut, it will remember everything we copied. For that, you have to just press Windows plus V button, and then you can see your clipboard and whatever you have copied. If it is turned off, by just clicking Windows plus V button, you can turn it on. Alright, the number 10 productivity tool is called 𝗙liche.com. So 𝗙liche app is very useful for your eyes protection. So during the day, computer screens look good. They are designed to look like the sun, but at night you probably should not be looking at the sun. So 𝗙liche makes the color of your computer's display adapt to the time of day. So it warms at night and like sunlight during the day. So you can use it to protect your eyes from computer array. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Kindly like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks. Take care.